Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Sekiro Shadows Die Twice game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the language within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sekiro Shadows Die Twice game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, just scroll down and then click on Language. Within the language options, you can change the language for the text that is displayed within the game, as well as the voice that is used. Click on the language that is selected alongside text, and you will see the various different languages that are available. You can just click on any language that you wish to use, and this language will now be applied. The same goes for the voice section. You can click on whichever language is selected, and you will now have various different languages to choose from. After choosing your desired language, you can simply press the escape button or go back into the main menu, and your changes will be saved. You can now continue to play your game with your chosen audio as well as subtitle language applied. Make sure that within the settings menu and within sound and display, the subtitle has been turned on. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the Sekiro Shadows Die Twice game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.